On a video shoot, you don't have time to waste. And when audio is often the last thing on your mind, you need microphones that you can trust. Microphones that work every time, no matter what or where you're shooting. Introducing the V-Mic D3 and D3 Pro from Deity Microphones. Until now, the options for on-camera mics were limited. There were cheap, passive microphones that suffered from noisy performance, and expensive active microphones that still didn't solve your problems. But the V-Mic D3 and D3 Pro do it all, offering an affordable solution with features that solve the problems you actually come across on set. We asked video shooters what they wanted in an on-camera microphone and then took the unprecedented next step. We actually listened. First and foremost, we designed the world's first smart microphones. Both the D3 and D3 Pro feature microprocessors with sensors that digitally shake hands with nearly whatever you plug them into. This means you no longer have to carry around a handful of adapters. You plug in the microphone, and it just works. Both microphones feature a lightweight aluminum design that makes them incredibly durable. While other brands' microphones are made out of plastic, we wanted to give our on-camera microphones the same build quality you'd see from a more expensive shotgun mic. The V-Mic D3 is powered off a single AAA battery and will run up to a whopping 208 hours. It also features an auto sleep mode that conserves battery life when you turn the camera off. But we didn't stop there. We also developed a premium on-camera mic that redefines what you should expect from a microphone. Instead of a AAA battery, we gave the D3 Pro an internal rechargeable lithium-ion battery that charges in less than 2 hours and will run for 4 working days. Both the D3 and D3 Pro command a sensitive 14mm microphone capsule. With their ultra-flat, natural tones, our microphones record sounds exactly the way they were performed without any added bass or mid-range boost. The ability to capture a flat frequency response is every sound designer's dream. And now, you have the power to achieve it too. The D3 Pro also features 2 levels of low cut at 75Hz and 150Hz that help reduce light wind and background noise. Co-engineered with Rycote, our V-Mic series gives you the same shock support that boom operators around the globe count on daily. Whether you're running around the canals of Amsterdam or grooving it out at the dance studio, you shouldn't have to worry about handling noise. Bridging those Rycote layers is a single piece of lightweight aluminum that features one more trick. Now, for the first time ever, you can adjust your on-camera microphone to work in tandem with your gimbal and ensure perfect balance. We've also paired the D3 Pro with a Rycote pistol grip and designed the DSLR to fit snugly in the handle, allowing you to take your microphone off your camera and onto your boom pole. You carry enough gear with you. We believe your microphones should do more than just be stuck to your camera. At the end of the day, we designed true video production microphones, not just on-camera mics. Because we don't want you to be limited and locked into one way of using your equipment. Video shoots have become multi-format and multi-platform. And now, so are your microphones. How will you use them?